Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be replacing the battery on the ADV 150. Notice that the battery is getting weak, and I did leave for a weekend, went to Florida, and came back, and of course it didn't really want to start, so I had to jump start it. Went out to Walmart, picked up the NOCO Lithium NLP5, which, as you can see on the side here, is a direct replacement for the YTZ8V, which is the battery that comes in the Honda ADV 150. So we'll get this started and we'll see how it goes. So we're just gonna open this up, bring up the seat, look at all the goodies, move these to the side. Don't lose the receipt. It's got a core charge on it. Open this up, and as you can see, I've got the OBD reader here. Figure out how to unplug that. And then we'll look at this battery out of here. Okay, to remove the battery, I just need to grab this. Trying to get it on camera here. And then pull this down. Hard to do with one hand. Get this loop out. There it goes. And then loosen the screws. Now that I've got the battery loose and the terminals off, I should be able to just slide this right out. It might take a little bit of a maneuver here. I got some of my wires in the way. Easy peasy. There it goes. And as you can see, YTZ8V, I'm going to flip that around to the right way. And positive on this side, negative on this side. We'll get the new battery. All right, new battery in my hand. I'm going to move this to the side. Take this one. Open that. Open that. It's my first time seeing this too. All right, we got a shelf just in case it needs to be taller. And, oh, that's super light. I don't think we need the book, so we'll just set this aside. Positive on this side, negative on this side, and let's compare the length to see if we need the shelf or not. And I don't think it really needs it, but we'll see what it looks like with it on there. So if I add the shelf, that actually puts it pretty much perfectly with everything else, so probably going to add the shelf. I'll go ahead and do that now. All right, we're done with that. Now that found out this hole here needed to be drilled out just a slight little bit just to get that screw through there, and they have to go in on an angle. So you can see that there, it is on an angle. That one I didn't have to drill out. Let's try it out. Let's put the bike on its stand. All right, now that it's on its stand, let's start it. It's got power. Starts right up. Sweet. And that thing is super light, but just a little bit of drill manipulation and we got it in there. Now to plug everything back in and button it up. Everything's all plugged in and buttoned right back up. So ODV2 is back on there, sticking out. We're running. Let's see what the battery voltage says. Let's see, where do I do that? Right here. .2 volts. Make sure you can see it. Come on, focus. There it is, 13.2. So now we got a new battery in, thanks to NOCO. And it's a lithium phosphate battery, so this should be a very long lasting battery. Until then, thank you for watching. Oh, and while I got you, go tune into Amazon Prime, download or rent, or I don't know if it's free or not, a documentary called The Big Scoot. My buddy Quasi Motard is a big component of this movie, provided a lot of the footage, and he's actually in it. We went down to the Vero Film Festival this weekend and enjoyed it on the big screen with some other writers and had a really good time. So The Big Scoot on Amazon Prime, check it out, and check out Quasi Motard right over here. Thank you.